Hello everybody, it's Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. Not so long ago, I won a prize from ShirlsCraftyWorld.com. She had a birthday challenge thing going on, and I was one of the person's name picked. Sorry this took so long, blessing Charlene. Oh, I wasn't worried. Oh, don't worry. I can't remember what I won. That's the fun thing about this. Oh, I love her little thingamajiggers. Okay. You are beautiful. Congrats on winning our birthday giveaway. Blessing, Charlene. Charlene's World. Oh, look at Happy Meal stickers. Them are cute. Oh, I can't wait to use them on my envelopes. They're cool. Oh, this is a cool stamp. Look at that stamp. I like it. It's got like the ticket, numbers, and butterflies. Awesome background stamp. Plus, if I remember right, I want a paper pad. Yep. Oh, this is pretty. Ooh. I didn't realize. I think it's Monet. Yep. Gorgeous. Well, if it's not Monet, man. Monet, damn close. I wish I could find Van Gogh. Oh, look, there's a cat. See the cat on the roof? I wish I could find Van Gogh like this. Like a paper pack. Just a Van Gogh paper. That'd be so cool. But I will have Charlene's channel linked in the description box below. And here's all her information. I always put her little cards. I think I got 2 or 3 in each one of my little smash books. I love I don't know where she gets those, but them are so cool. And I got a card for my smash book. So please go check out ShirlsCraftyWorld.com. I think she's doing sales on Whatnot, if I remember correctly. Also these days. I don't do Whatnot too much. First of all, they don't take PayPal. And I only do PayPal. If I can't buy something on PayPal, I don't buy it. And so, but thank you for the Happy Meal stickers. Some are so cute. I remember when I first started YouTube, my channel name was Happy Meal from the Heart. That would have been so cool. But I changed it because so many people, there's another person that had Happy Meal something, and they always thought we were the same. And I want Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and then all the other Tinas changed theirs with their first name too. So I'm like, I ain't changing it again. I'm staying with Tina's Messy Crafty Life. So I will have Charlene's channel linked in the description box below. Thank you again. I love my prizes. Now I have to figure out what I want to use first. One thing about these cool paper pads, I hate covering them up. Or ripping them up. That's my problem. Am I the only one that has that issue when it comes to paper like this? Because their images are so pretty. I don't like covering. I mean, look at it. But I could. She'd look cool cut out in my own background. Yeah. See, ideas are already in my head. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.